This is all the stuff you need for a match rocket. Chunk of wire, piece of tin foil, 2 matches with one match head cut off, pair of scissors to cut a square out, and the match head off. Okay. Gonna start by rolling up one of the match heads, like that. We're gonna put in another match head, so it looks like that. Now with the wire, you want it over the 2 heads. And you just want to lightly roll it. And you want to twist it at the end and cut that off. Take out the wire. You should be able to take the match out. That's how you make a match rocket.